Guys, Elite Gamers back here with another video. Today we're doing Madden Mobile instead of NBA Live Mobile. Um, and just the series is, I don't know, but they want me. Whoa, 73 new messages. It says apply to league. We're looking for members. Do you want to apply? Let's just apply. Okay. Oh, we want that 97. Oh, they give us okay. Okay, we can sell that. Yep, we can sell. Oh wait, what was that? Look like a good player. Oh my. Oh, it was that guy. We can sell him. Yeah, I'm low on coins. Got 80 overall team. Ooh. Okay, let's collect all these. Or wait, let's not do that. Let's just dismiss all of them. Dismiss there. Okay, that I don't feel like that was good. Just because there isn't. Well, let's go open up these packs here. Oh. These should all sold. Dang it. But here's all the packs that I've collected. Let's add these to the sets. There's only 84, 84, 84, 84, 84, 84, 84, 84, 87. Let's go for the 93 overall Sean Lee. There. If we can get some more for that Sean Lee, that would be sick. Because if I can get some more, we can get that. We only got 3 out of 156. 4 out of 100. We got 60 players. We gotta open these again. What's wrong with that? There. Now let's go to the sets and see if we can get some more. What? Dang it. What's happening? It's all froze up. Oh my gosh, okay. Just wait. Oh, podium. Okay. Just let's go back and I don't know what was happening there. But the edit. What's this? Oh, 99. Damn. Oh, good. We better get some more of those podiums. I might get some more. I'll get some more. Well, let's go to our from the last time I got some elite players that you guys haven't seen yet that I've added to my team. And these are the players that I got. I got these out of the free elite player, 85 overall offensive tackle, Ryan something. And then I also got something for the defense. It was 90 overall Aaron Donald. This update. And let's see what happened in the special. So yeah, I got that kicker doesn't look very good. So let's go to store and let's just look at these. I haven't looked at these yet. What's this? Dang it. Dang it, I didn't know it. Sometimes it does that. Oh. It just... Wait a minute. Well, that didn't work out very good. But, let's go and I just looking at this, and, well, let's go to sell items, or auctions. Let's see if we can get any elite players. Maybe we can get, or, I don't care. Maybe an 80 overall, 85. Elite gold. Okay. For 13,000, Andrew Luck. Yeah, he's not going on my team. No. 48,000. Really? They put up these little things up on the auction block. 86 defensive tackle. What? Oh, Tom Brady. Tom Brady's better than my quarterback, but let's Matt Moore. Let's put up ones that are under. Let's do. Dang it! Come on. Buy now price at 15. Nope. Oh my god. Okay, save, and then let's do, well, 1,500. Why did I put that? There. There. Okay, these are looking good. 87 overall. I might just buy one of these. Maybe there's an 87 overall Cam Newton on there. Let's look it up. $88. Oh my gosh. You guys think I should buy it? Oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm just gonna buy it. You can put him back up on the auction block. Here, let's maybe sell him. Maybe we can sell him. Go to my team. Just a minute. Let's see if he's better. Yeah, he's better. We can sell Big Ben. Here, let's sell him. How much did he go for? First, let's go look for him. Dang it. Ben 87. 7. Here, let's see if we can get him. Or wait, no, not even. Okay, save. Let's do reset. Okay, let's search him. There. Goes up for 21. Okay, 2165. 20. Is any of these selling? Here, let's see. Buy net. No, I could have bought another one, but let's see if any of these are selling right now. How do we put them up for? Let's put them up for 50,000 and see if that sells. Actually, we'll put them up for 70. And then it'll be 80. No, reset all. Let's add, these are all 84s. 84s can go up in there. 84s can be up for 13. This one can be up for 15. Now let's add all the gold players in for and then we'll do a 12. Now let's reset all this and add all these silver players in. And then we're going to add them for 5,000. And then we'll add them up for 10. Oh, forgot about that. Let's put this up for 3,000. Not 50. 5,000. Wait, what? Oh, this. Oh, so let's put this up for. There. Now let's reset all this and put all these bronze players in for about 5,000. There. Let's do 5,001. There. I got all those collectibles. Maybe let's go look at half of them. Let's go. I don't have any of those. Let's go look at vault. Or locker. Dang it. Wait. Quick sell. Can I do quick sell? Pretty sure no, I cannot do quick sell. Oh wow, we could have did the 2 trophy pack. If we get up to the 10, we could have did the 10 trophy pack. I should have looked at that. Dang it. Okay, let's go and look at players. Teams. Really? 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 Weekly, let's do weekly, let's do weekly, let's do weekly. Live events. Okay, let's go and do a head-to-head game. And we're gonna go against this guy. Okay, here it comes. Okay, I'm sorry about that, but we're gonna go and drive down the field and get a touchdown. Maybe. Wow, get out of my way, get out of my way, get out of my way. Okay, go, go. No, really? Dang it. Ooh, that new Cam Newton. Okay. Okay. He's pretty bad, but I don't care. Run, run, run. No! Oh, dang it. I'm gonna do long passes. See how good his accuracy. Doesn't really matter about the accuracy in this game, but that guy's wide open. You did not. How did he not catch that? He was wide open, you guys. What the? Dang. He was not. Oh my god. Oh, great run. Okay, they already know what I'm doing. It's third down. We're gonna run a long pass. I might just run this. We're just gonna run it. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Run, run Cam, run Cam, run Cam, run Cam. Yeah, spit on him, spit on him. Oh no! Oh my gosh, that Cam is. We need that 93 overall Cam though. I still got it. Okay. I still got a touchdown, and oh my gosh, I still got a touchdown, and I ran through the line. Why is he wearing a Patriots jersey if he's the Cincinnati Bengals? Dang, that new kicker. Yeah. Well, good. So, let's go and look at our season games. Oh, we're almost to the playoffs. Okay, let's play this one game. And okay, we're gonna play this game against the Redskins. We should win, unless I just suck. If I miss, I just don't win. Dang it. Oh, okay. That new kicker is not that good. Oh, let's rush this guy and sack on. Oh, come on, get that. Oh my, get him. Okay, that was bad defense. There. That's good defense. Do a blitz. Perfect, because they're doing a run. Oh, I thought they were doing a run. So now they have to punt it. Now they have to punt it. No, they have to punt it. Okay, here we go. We're going to try to get a touchdown for Cam Newton in this game. This is what I'm going to do. Do the same thing as last time. Run, run. Run with him. Run. No! Yeah, oh dang. He could have made it past him. He could have. Oh, rush, rush, rush once again. Russian. Oh. Oh, dang, that was close. He spun on the first guy and then got around him. Go. Oh, great. Okay, that was not as good as I thought it was going to be. Do it again. Run again. Run again. Run again. Run again. Holy, he got hit. Okay, we're just going to go with this, and then we're going to run. And we're going to get this touchdown. Dive in the end zone. But nope. Okay. Touchdown for Cam Newton. Let's see if we can beat him by a lot. Okay, that was just... Okay, let's go. No. How would... Oh my gosh. In my last season, I had they were the Carolina Panthers in the Super Bowl, and they ran for an onside kick touchdown, which was insane. What? Oh, get him. Oh, that was close. If they go, they might win. They might win. We don't want them to win, though. Get him. Get him. Get him. Run. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, they're not going for it. They're going for the 2 points. They're going for the 2 points. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Come on. No. That was just bad defense. See if Deion Lewis can run this out. We got a pretty good team. We just got to get more like QJBs. And also like, oh great, no, run. Oh. There, he caught it. There, he got it. Okay, so who is running? Landry it is. Oh great, you should have caught that. Okay, we're doing a run on 2nd and 10. Runs around the outside. He cuts. And he gets smoked. 3rd and 7. We're gonna run it. Running it. He spins, and he gets the 1st down. So now he's gonna. They're doing a run. Pitch to the outside. Oh, they cut. Oh, great. They keep running it. He got past one guy, but it didn't work out very good. Cam Newton, frustrated, goes back the other way. And they get tackled for a loss. Cam Newton's gonna snap the ball. He's gonna run. But he's gonna get sacked. He's gonna go back. Throw it! Really? Oh my gosh. Dang, he did not throw it. Oh my gosh. There's 1 second left. No. Fudge. If we get a touchdown, we're up. But they can kick another field goal. Get 1 point behind. Oh. But if they get another touchdown, they're 3 points ahead. Dang it. We just want to win this game and get out of here and go to the playoffs. We want to win every single game in the playoffs. This team is pretty good. Okay, this team is doing good. I'm just saying they might just, okay. No, okay. Okay, we got this. Pass to a wide receiver. That's easy. Nope, don't want to rush. We gotta pass. Oh, go. Oh my gosh. I should have rushed. Okay. We need to get this. 4th down. Yes. Okay, that was good. Yes. That was perfect. Go. Oh, we cut. Oh, that was a spin. No. Okay. That's a lost yards. About 1 yard. I got 1 yard. I didn't lose any.
Look at these wide. Oh, pass to a tight end. Okay, I got this. I got to pass to this guy. Complete. Okay. There. Did it. First down. We got to get ahead. There. Yes. Okay. That was just perfect. We're up by 3. Let's go for the 2 points so we can get ahead up by 6. Yes. Okay. But they can get up by 2 points, but we can kick the field goal and get ahead by 1. If we're losing, and come on, get him. If we're losing, and the 4th quarter, there, get him. Good defense. Good defense. You better pass it. He's okay. This is just gonna be a no. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now if we get a touchdown, we need a touchdown. That was so easy. I only had to make one guy miss. Okay, let's get up by 2 touchdowns. There, let's go. Now, but they can come back if they get a turnover with a pick. But I tackled him. Oh my gosh. Okay. We need to get it up. We need to stop. Okay. Yep. Come on. Okay, pick it. Yes, no. Let's guard this guy. Pick it. No, what? How? What the heck? That was luck. No, no. Oh, that was, okay. This was being a crazy game. They're getting all the luck. Oh, great. Dang it. Okay, they're going for the 2 points. No, they're not. They're going for 1. They can get, if they get another touchdown, they're up. (18-24). We're just going to playoffs anyway, so why should I even care? No shit. Oh, really? Let me go for this long pass here. I just cut like that because okay, we're doing another long pass. I'm gonna beat this guy. Play it there, but we're going deep. What? Oh, that was close. 2nd and 10. No. Oh, great. Called the timeout. 3rd and 3. One guy missed. Yes. No. Great. Okay. Cut back. No, cut back. Oh, great. Yes. Yes. No. 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 Time out. Oh, dang. What? Why did I say that? Long pass into the end zone and end this game. Oh, that could have been dangerous. Yes. Well, we're gonna walk out here with W. With a W. There we go. Now we won. Yes, we got the ball. Okay, yeah, we won. Wait, they got the ball? We're just gonna go for this. I thought we got the ball. If we got the ball, oh my god. There, let's just call timeout. I want to get one more touchdown. So we're gonna go deep and we're gonna see if we can get a touchdown. There you go. Clock running down. Oh no, we didn't get it. But we just won. What? Oh yeah. Pass to a tight end. Okay. Claim and continue. Dang it. Did not mean to do that. We have to play this game. Let's just do it. We're gonna play another game. Okay. Let's just beat these guys and go into play Dallas and then go win the playoffs. Whatever. Can we forfeit? Oh, we can save and exit. At second quarter, I might just save and exit because then we can just finish this game. There, pass complete. Okay, that was. Okay, let's get it. Let's go. 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 First down. Oh, pass it. Pass it. Pass, 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 pass. Pass, 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 pass. Pass, pass, pass. Pass, pass, pass. He dropped it. He had that. 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 Yes, my own player caught. Oh my gosh, that was sick. That was sick. That was sick. Okay, I thought we weren't gonna get that. After this, I'm gonna stop like 1 yard before it so I can get. There. Good. Okay, now I'm gonna do a long pass. There! We got a touchdown with Cam Newton. Now we're gonna go for those 2 points and get it. What? What? How? How? Run, 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 run. That was the craziest thing ever. I tried to get the ball. I tried running up the middle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We need to win this game. That was funny. Sack the quarterback before he even gets the run. Hit both of them. Oh, use your sack. Okay. They're going to kick it to me. Because I'm going to catch it with Vic Beasley Jr. Oh, I wanted to get it. Come on. They should call more penalties like holding, roughing. Why did I pass over there? Dang it. But that was just crazy. That last play. Run! Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just gonna throw a deep pass. There, run, fat guy. There. Get him. Oh my gosh. Okay, That's so dumb. That's crazy that the ball moves. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, we're doing it. We're running it. Why did I do it? Dang it. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Ah, we can get the first down. Watch. Watch this. Oh, they call a timeout. Why did they call a timeout? That's just dumb. Why did they call a timeout? Dang it. Dang it. Oh, I tried. Okay, dang, that was dumb. What? Oh. What? Oh, we're covering them. What? Play some defense. We're all just gonna. Oh, we're gonna give them the ball at halftime. Dang it! They want to score and then score again. Oh, I could not. Oh my god. I was trying to pick it, but it wouldn't. Yes. Okay, let's stop them. Let's get a pick six right here, okay? Oh my gosh, that's insane. How could they do that? How could they do it? Nine to 6? Let's get a touchdown. Let's get a touchdown before it. Wait, just a minute. That's not the play I wanted to do. Okay, dang. Okay, let's just call it. Let's just call it. Let's call it. Okay. It was picked. We need this ball back. We're down by 3. That's bad. Oh, wait, what? Really? Dang it. That's just... He gets this, we're down by 11. Okay, then we have to go... Okay, let's chuck that sucker. We need to get a touchdown. If we don't get a touchdown, we might lose the game. I was trying to throw it to him, LB, but... Oh, that was close. Let's just get this over with a touchdown here. Holy, okay. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do it, okay. We're just gonna get it. Oh, damn it, we get that. I'm not kicking it. I'm not kicking it. Easy touchdown. We're down by 2. Going into the 4th quarter. Let's go. There. 4th quarter, end of 3rd quarter, start of 4th quarter. Down by 2. Dang it. Pick 6, pick 6. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. This is good for us because then we can get a touchdown. And then we'll have to go for the 2 points to tie. Dang it, I didn't mean to throw it. Oh my gosh. He could have easily picked that, run for a touchdown. Let's just run the clock down. to run it down because then we get a touchdown. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, you guys, we gotta pay attention, we gotta pay attention. Cam Newton isn't the best. Oh my gosh. All we gotta do is get in field goal range. Dang! Oh my gosh, I should have just tried. Oh my gosh. They're only 67. Yeah, I was just kidding. I could have beat him. You know what? I could have beat him. I could, if I could have kicked the field goal right at the end. I shared this call. They called the timeout, but it didn't work. Yeah. So dumb. Wait, what? Let's see if I can get some more. Come on, come on, come on. No. I want more. I want more. I want more. Okay, that's not gonna work today, but let's go look at. Well, at least we got. At least we did get some wins. 26 hours. Well, you guys, let's look at the 99s. I'm just gonna look at them. 99 elites. Drafts. You guys, these are for a lot. We might get ourselves a new QB. I'm gonna be looking for those coins. And we're gonna get this. For some more coins. So, is any of these selling? Holy crap. Well, that's it for today's, guys. See you later. Bye.